Hi everyone, welcome once again to Amari Educates, where mathematics is made easy. In this video, we're going to study about dividing polynomials using the long division method. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's start. Example. Quantity x squared plus x minus 6 divided by x plus 3. Okay, let's have our solution. The first thing that we have to check is our variables. Are our variables decreasing in exponent with an increment of only 1? So I have here x squared and then x raised to 1 and x raised to 0, which is 1. So this one is properly ordered. Okay, now let's put all our given here. I'll take a look at closely. The process is simple. All we have to do is to always focus first on the leading term in each expression. So I have a leading term here, x squared, and this one is x is the leading term. So what we're going to do is just to divide them. So x squared divided by x will give us x. Now, once you place something here on top, you have to return it back by multiplying to each term on the divisor. So this will be x times x and x times positive 3. So let us see the answer there. So x times x is x squared and x times positive 3 is positive 3x. Once we multiply them back, what we're going to do now is to subtract this. Okay, so x squared minus x squared is 0, so I did not write it, and x minus 3x will give us negative 2x. After subtracting, we're going to check if there's another term that we can put down. So we still have negative 6 there, so I will put down negative 6. Okay, when you're putting down only one by one. Now, we have a new expression here. So we're going to do the same step. We're going to check the leading term here and the leading term there. So this will be negative 2x divided by x, which is negative 2. Again, we put something on top, so we have to return it back here. So negative 2 times x will give us negative 2x. Negative 2 times positive 3 will give us negative 6. Then the process of subtraction will be followed. So we have here negative 2x minus negative 2x is 0, and negative 6 minus negative 6 is 0. Then check again here. Do we still have other term? No, so we'll stop. Therefore, x minus 2 is our quotient. If the remainder is 0, it means to say that x plus 3 is a factor of x squared minus plus x minus 6. Let's have another one. So the quantity of x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x minus 4 is divided by the quantity of x plus 1. The process still the same. We have to check the variable's exponent. Is it decreasing? 3 to 1 and then x to the 0, which is 4. So if that is the case, we're just going to write it this way. Okay, no additional thing. And then this one is our divisor. Again, what was the first step again? Check the leading term of this. Okay, so x cubed divided by x will give us x squared. Again, when we place something up, we have to return it back by multiplying to the divisor. So x squared multiplied by x, and x squared multiplied by positive 1. So this will be like this. So x squared times x is x cubed, and x squared times positive 1 is positive x squared. Then we will do the subtraction. Okay? So x cubed minus x cubed, 0. And 3x squared minus x squared, and there's the minus, 3x squared minus x squared will give us 2x squared. Now check if we could put down something here. Yes, another term. Now after putting down one term, you check again the leading coefficient. So leading coefficient of this and this one. So 2x squared divided by x will give you positive 2x. Again, when we place something up here, we have to multiply it back. So 2x times x and 2x times positive 1 will give us 2x squared and 2x. Okay, then subtract again. So 2x squared minus 2x squared is 0, and negative 2x minus positive 2x will give us negative 4x. Be careful on your subtraction, huh? Now check again. Can we still put down another term here? Yes. So the negative 4 will be placed down. Again, when you put down something, you will go again to the leading term. So negative 4x divided by x will be negative 4. We place something here, we return it back. So negative 4 times x, negative 4 times 1 will give us this. Okay? So let us continue by subtracting them. So negative 4x minus negative 4x is 0. Negative 4 minus negative 4 is 0. Okay, once again, what can we say if the remainder is 0? We could conclude that x plus 1 is a factor of this expression. So our quotient for this problem is x squared plus 2x minus 4, and the remainder is 0. Let's have one more example. Quantity of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4 divided by the quantity of x plus 2. Take a look at this one. So x cubed, x squared, there's supposed to be an x here before you just get a constant here. So what are we going to do? Look closely. There. I have x cubed, I have x squared, and I will just add plus 0, so there's no effect, but with x plus a 4. This one is so that we're not going to get confused when we are already doing the operation. Some expert, you don't need to do this thing, but because they know what to do, but we had to be careful. Okay? Again, if there is a missing, all you have to do is to put plus 0 and whatever is missing. Okay. So let's divide again from leading coefficient to the leading coefficient. So, leading term to the leading term. So x cubed divided by x will give us x squared. When you place something, you return it back. So x squared times x and x squared times positive 2 will give us x cubed and 2x positive 2x squared. Then do the subtraction again. So x cubed minus x cubed is 0. Negative 3x squared minus 2x squared. Again, be careful because this sign will be changed. So it will become negative 5x squared. Put down the next term. and continue dividing. So negative 5x squared divided by x will give us negative 5x. When we put something here, we return it back. So we have here negative 5x times x, negative 5x times 2. So we have negative 5x times x is negative 5x squared. Negative 5x times positive 2 is negative 10x. Subtract, we have here, it's cancelled already. So 0 minus negative 10 will give us positive 10x. Okay? Do we still have another term? Yes, then we continue. Put down the last term. This is the last term. So we continue with dividing the leading term. So 10x divided by x will give us positive 10. Positive 10 times x and then positive 10 times positive 2 will look like this. Okay? So subtract. We have 10x minus 10x and 4 minus, or positive 4 minus positive 20 will give us negative 16. Here's the question. Is x plus 2 a factor of this? The answer is no, because our remainder is not 0. If there is a remainder, your final answer will look like this. So this is your quotient up here. So x squared minus 5x plus 10, you just write it normally. But if the remainder here is not 0, we have to be careful. You have to express it in this manner. Minus 16 on top, and this divisor here will be used to divide the 16. So x plus 2. Again, you write this one here. This is the one. And follow the sign here. If there's no sign, you have to put plus here. So this, since this is minus, we put minus here. And the 16 on top. And the divisor will be placed at the bottom, or at the denominator of 16. Okay? Now, at this point, we're going to check if you understood the lesson. Okay? Ready? These two blanks here. Okay, let's start with our first problem. The quantity of x squared minus 7x plus 10 divided by x, the quantity of x minus 2. You can pause this video if you need more time, but let us start the time. Time is up, and the correct answer is x minus 5. Let's have more practice. The quantity of x cubed minus 2x squared minus 2x plus 1 is divided by the quantity of x plus 1. Once again, pause the video if you still need more time. Let's start the time. Time is up, and the correct answer is x squared minus 3x plus 1. Let's have one more. Determine the remainder of quantity x squared plus 3x minus 1 when divided by x plus 2. Let us start the time. Stop. The correct answer is 9. Let's have our last problem. The quantity of x cubed plus 2x minus 3 is divided by the quantity of x minus 3. Again, if you need more time, you can pause this video. Let's start the time. Time is up. And the correct answer is x squared plus 3x plus 11 plus 30 divided by x minus 3. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learn how to divide polynomial by a polynomial. Please once again subscribe and share. Remember, it is cool to be wise. Have a wonderful day, everyone.